too much choice.
Squiddy goodness. Yeah, you book it fish, Sharon. Yum, 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 yum. He's looking at you, Shaz. It's still moving. Yeah, yeah.
I've been to the fish market this morning. Got some scallops. I just take them out of the shells. I give them a rinse because they're full of salt and stuff. So they're here. What you might eat them raw, which you can do because they're freshly caught this morning, but I can't see you doing that, so I will cook them slightly. Prawns, I'm going to top and tail them. Top and tail means take the tail off and take the other bits out. If I was at home, I'd save all these bits and use them for stock. And then we've also got some fresh salmon. Cut that off. I'm gonna fry that. This stuff will be awesome for sushi. Right. Got some little potatoes. Plan is to do a seafood platter. So, I've done a salad. I think I'm gonna roast the potatoes in rosemary. Which I've got some fresh rosemary from that little garden outside the pub before. So I'll do that, roast them.
How's your cooking, Cocker?
Alright, I'm still not 100% what I'm doing with the fish platter.
What are you doing, Sharon?
Okay, I don't know. I just found half a lemon in the fridge and I've got some oil that I found in the cupboard, extra virgin oil. So I'm going to squeeze this half a lemon into this oil. I'm going to use this as the base for the sauce for the salad. So, lemon, oil,
And scallops.
and I'll see what goodness I've got in the cupboard. Right, the little mix I've just done with the oil and whatever, can't remember what I'm putting in it now. Just add it to this little lettuce stuff. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, olives in there. That's just to be a little side dish. The roasties are done now. They were just the roasties with the rosemary that we picked from the side of the pub before.
And the tasses you got from the fish market this morning
Yes.
in Venice.
Yeah, same with the salad. So in there I've got salmon in the oven, garlic mushrooms, and I'm just going to fry off now. Those little puppies on the side. So the prawns and right. I've got some oysters here. I was going to do them raw. What eat raw oysters, so I'll cook them. I'm going to throw them slightly. raw fresh prawns and oysters. I'm only going to do them slightly. You want to eat some more? Right, this is the mushroomy, garlicky stuff just go on the salmon. Thank goodness.